going on, everyone? My name's Nick and welcome back to the IEG Garden. Today I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update on what's been going on. It's finally spring 2023. There's some developments that have happened, so let's go check those out real quick. Okay, first things first is on the big water tank here, rainwater collection. I had to install a valve here because in the wintertime when I want to disconnect the system and blow this out with air, I don't want all my water to drain necessarily, because I can still use the water in here to finish out for the rest of the season just hand watering. So I had to put a valve there. The next thing I did is I shortened up this. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand over here to try to block the wind a little bit, but what I found was that when this tube filled up with water, it became so heavy that yeah, it started to like pull away from the water tank here and kind of pull on it. So I shortened it up and reattached the cap here. It is very fixed to the house. This isn't really holding it up, but I just have this here just in case. So yeah, let's go take a look at the greenhouse here and see what we got growing so far. Sorry for the wind if you can hear it, it's real bad today, but walking up, we're just gonna walk into our greenhouse here. And first things first, we've got some Brussels sprouts that made it through the winter, surprisingly, and they are starting to grow right now, so that is really awesome to see. So far we haven't filled in the rest of these garden beds, and oh yeah, my greenhouse collapsed if you haven't noticed yet. Yeah, let me step out of the greenhouse. We'll take a look here. So yeah, in the winter we had a blizzard and it got too much snow on it and it collapsed. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but luckily the company was nice enough to send a brand new greenhouse completely for free. It's the exact same one, but yeah, this time I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce the inside, putting some support poles in the middle, just to give it some more strength and sturdiness. Hopefully it'll last winter. But yeah, we're gonna have to do a complete redo on the greenhouse build. So this time I'm gonna try to record me doing all of it because last time I forgot. So yeah, but this time it should be easier because everything's already done. I just have to build it and set it over top of everything. Other than that, it's ready. So for today's project, we're gonna work on getting that greenhouse put on the deck here, because this is gonna be my greenhouse for like herbs and stuff like that and small plants. It also will be a little starter greenhouse for the bigger greenhouse. And yeah, so we're gonna get that moved up onto the deck so that way it's more accessible from the house and I don't have to come out through the garage and go to there. I can just walk out on my deck and boom, there it is. So let's get that done. Okay, see, I'm having a problem here, trying to figure out, because right here is the doorway. So when we're standing there, or you know, in the kitchen, we want to look out the back. I don't necessarily want it to be looking right at the greenhouse. So I'm trying to figure out where I should place it. And then we also have a squirrel feeder right there. And I want to be able to see the squirrels, so I don't want to put it there. So I'm not really sure where to put it. Yeah, I like that stuff. That'll actually, I don't know why I was overthinking that. Hi, Pogue. No, don't do that. Don't do that. All right. I think that's a good spot for it, because you can still see the squirrels there. We're not just looking at a greenhouse. Hi, Winslow. You're a little harder to see. So yeah, and then I plan on having some cat grass here for the kitty cats. It's gonna be a big old bed that I'm actually gonna ground to off the deck there to actually ground it. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I need to do with that. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now we're back in my basement here, and we're gonna look at the plants that I've got going for the garden this year. So right off the bat here, we've got blackberry and then 2 blueberry plants, and this one is definitely starting to grow. Not sure about this one yet or this one, but then we've got a bunch of squash, cucumber, more squash, sage, parsley, chives, cilantro, we've got a watermelon, tomato, tons of onion, and then bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. And that's it right there for the actual garden. And then of course some garlic. And then these are some wildflowers that we attempted to get going. And those are gonna get transplanted here very soonly. But yeah, you can kind of see that they are very thirsty right now and they need more nutrients, but what can you do? So that's it. In the next episode, I'm gonna be, planting these. Probably gonna actually back up. Next episode is probably gonna be me either A, filling the rest of the garden beds in the greenhouse, and B, rebuilding the greenhouse. Then after that, we're gonna get these planted in there, as well as the outdoor garden beds, and hopefully we'll get our rainwater irrigation all set up again and ready to go. But yeah, that's gonna be the game plan. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Much love. Peace.